So today I have the Rainbow High Violet Willow doll that I will be unboxing. Everything looks really good with her face and her bangs, so I was pleased about that. I'm sure you've heard about these dolls or seen unboxings. Apparently the box is very hard to get out of, and so I'm going to be unboxing off camera. So if you're wondering, the box just kind of pops out with a little force like this, and then you just cut the two tabs there and the plastic should be able to come out right away. So here is Violet's second outfit. This dress is so cute. It features some lace or tulle, I'm not sure, with Rainbow High ribbon. The faux leather jacket is purple and she has some little purple shoes. This stuff is great, but I'm disappointed only because there is no handbag. I do not know a high schooler who doesn't have a handbag. Okay, so I've unboxed the doll. It didn't take as long for the unboxing as other people said. I guess I just know where to cut. As you can see, the doll is very pretty. There is product in her hair. This is like really hard, but I think all you have to do is wash it out and the doll hair will become soft. So I'll just show you her little outfit. She's wearing a faux fur purple amazing jacket with a sequins little number, also in purple or lavender if you want to call it that. She has on some mermaid scale type socks with some high heel sandals. Very cute. So I'm getting ready to put her second outfit on her. I just want to show you guys that she does come with earrings. There is a sheen on her face. Her eyes are kind of like bluish until purple. She does come with painted on undies. She has these points of articulation. Don't worry, I did not break the hands. They just kind of twist and pull off to make dressing easier. She has some articulation here around her hips, the knees, and no articulation on the feet, but they are heeled feet, so. Okay, we have Miss Violet dressed in her second outfit. She is adorable. The shoes are a little tough to get on. I thought I was gonna break a nail or break the shoe, but it turned out okay. And those are really so cute. This doll is so cute. I ordered Sunny, so I do think those are the only dolls I'll be getting from this line, but I'm just so impressed with what I've gotten.